Welcome back to my channel. My name is ZORANSKIE Marayah. So today guys, I want to show you how I wash my clothes in the washing machine. This video is going to be a very short video because it's just going to show you guys how I put the clothes in the machine, how I apply detergents, and how I get the clothes dry in the end. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So first of all guys, before I start to wash the clothes, I like to turn the clothes upside down like this. I mean, it just works better for me. I really like it that way. And afterwards, I'm just going to put them in the wash machine. So clothes in the washing machine, I'm getting ready. So guys, the clothes are now in the machine, so I'm going to apply the detergent that I usually use, and my favorite is the Pastel detergent, and I'm going to use this as well. This Comfort gives it a very fresh, nice smell in the end. So I'll apply both of them because of the kind of machine that I have. There's just one space for the detergent, so I'm going to apply the two of them at the same time. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this whole washing procedures. Yay! Here's the dryer. I'm going to put all the clothes inside now, and it's going to dry. I mean, drying takes a bit of time. Unlike the washing that took 43 minutes, this one takes about 2 hours. I'm going to skip this one. I won't put it in the dryer because it has this metal zip on the sleeves here, and it's just going to be making so much noise. So because of this reason, I'm not going to put this particular clothes in the dryer. The noise can be so annoying, so that's why I'm not going to put it in the dryer. So I'm going to skip this one. Okay, I'm going to close it. So I'm going to put it on here. This is the power button. Okay. Alright. Now, usually there are all kinds of material that you can dry in here. So most times I use the cotton one because most of my clothes are cotton. So I use the cotton one. So I'm going to just place this dryer. I'm going to regulate it to the cotton one. So you see, it's 1 hour 55 minutes. So it's going to take 1 hour 55 minutes. So before I put it on, I'm going to check if there's any liquid here. So there's nothing inside here. So it's good to go, because when it dries clothes, this is where the liquid is being stored. So you need to always dispose the water. So but right now there's nothing inside, so that means it's good to go. Alright, yeah. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to
press the play button, and then it's ready to go. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you learned something from it. I'm not teaching, but this is my own way of washing my clothes at home, and I really love doing this, so I thought I should share it with you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So drop a comment, share this video, click on the like button, and also please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.